Hello everyone, welcome to Chemizon Complete Chemistry. So in today's video we are going to solve question that was asked in NET June 2023 chemistry paper based on the ITAD reaction that we had learnt yesterday. So let us first read the question. The intermediate involved in the given ITAD reaction is, so they have given the reactant, that is toluene, and product is benzaldehyde. Reagent is chromyl chloride CrO2Cl2. The question is, they are asking the structure of the intermediate. So for drawing the structure also, we must know the mechanism of the reaction. Okay, this was asked for 4 marks in part C. Okay, so let us write down the mechanism again that we had seen in the last video yesterday. So we start with toluene. Okay, toluene is CH3, CH2, I can write like this, CH2H. This reacts with chromyl chloride, that is CrO2, okay, forming 2 double bonds with oxygen and 2 single bonds with chlorine. This is chromyl chloride. So which was the first name reaction that is taking place? Ene reaction. Okay, and ene reaction is what? It is similar to Diels-Alder reaction. In Diels-Alder reaction, there is a diene compound having 2 double bonds reacting with a dienophile compound having 1 double bond, okay, to form a cyclic product. Okay, this pi electrons will attack here, this will attack here. So we get a 6-membered cyclic product, that is cyclohexene. But the difference is in a ene reaction, instead of diene we have ene, okay, and instead of dienophile we have enophile. Ene and enophile. Okay, why it is called ene? Because 2 pi electrons will be coming from the pi bond, but the remaining 2 electrons will be coming from this carbon hydrogen bond. Okay, that is ene, and enophile, one of the double bond will react like this. So how does the mechanism take place? Oxygen, it is electron rich, so it has lone pair. So what will happen? Oxygen has the lone pair, so it will attack this hydrogen. Then this hydrogen carbon bond will shift here, and this pi bond will attack chromium. Okay, so what will happen is chromium oxygen double bond becomes a chromium oxygen single bond, and oxygen is picking up hydrogen. So what will happen here? Before that, 2 pi bonds will remain as it is. 2 pi bonds will remain as it is. Then there is double bond CH2. Okay, double bond CH2. This is forming bond with chromium. Then one chromium oxygen double bond remains as it is. One of them has become single bond, O minus, that will pick up H plus becomes OH, and then there are 2 chromium chlorine bonds. Okay, this is the first name reaction. Now what will happen is the next name reaction, that is 2,3 sigmatropic shift. Why it is called sigmatropic rearrangement? Okay, because we know in sigmatropic rearrangement what happens? A sigma bond will be breaking. Okay, a sigma bond will be breaking. And why it is called 2,3? So let us number this. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. So bond between 1 and 1, this sigma bond will be breaking, and a new bond will be forming between number 2 and number 3, atom number 2 and 3. So that is why it is called 2, 3. Okay, how is the mechanism of this reaction? A bond is forming between 2 and 3 like this. Okay, this 1 bond is breaking. This will form carbon, CH2 will form bond with oxygen, and this chromium oxygen electrons will be given to chromium. Okay, pi bond will become double bond will become single bond. So now what we have, again 2 pi bonds of the benzene ring remain as it is. Here we have CH2. Okay, this is forming bond with oxygen. Then that oxygen is attached to chromium. Okay, pi bond is shifted, so there will be 1 lone pair. Okay, and then there is 1 OH. Then there are 2 Cl. And then here there is a double bond. Benzene ring aromaticity is restored. Okay, so what will happen? This is the intermediate structure that they are asking. Okay, benzene ring, then CH2, oxygen is attached to chromium, and chromium is attached to 2 chlorine and 1 OH. So what is the correct answer? benzene ring, CH2, oxygen. This one part is same in second option as well, in third option as well. Okay, next what is there? Chromium, it is attached to 2 chlorine and 1 OH. So the correct answer is option 2. There are no double bonds. Okay, chromium oxygen double bond is not present. So option 1, 3 and 4 are incorrect. Only correct answer is option 2. Okay, so let us complete this. Now what will happen? One Cl minus will be lost as a good leaving group, and what will happen? That Cl minus, okay, here there are two hydrogens. So Cl minus will pick up one of the hydrogens from here. So one of the byproduct is HCl. Plus what will happen? It is picking only H plus ion. So where will the electrons go? This CH bond electrons will come here, forming carbon oxygen double bond, and this bond between oxygen and chromium will also break. So what are the other products? One is the desired product, that is benzaldehyde. Carbon attached to hydrogen, then it was a carbon oxygen single bond that has become double bond. This is the desired product benzaldehyde. Now chromium already had one lone pair. Okay, it will get another lone pair from this chromium oxygen bond. Then there are two groups OH and Cl. Okay, so this is the final product. Okay, and what is the correct option? Option is option 2. Okay, so I hope you have understood this mechanism. Thank you.